In which direction did the Big Bang happen? So, this is a question I believe that all kids would have, all new students of physics would have about the Big Bang theory. I'm sure I must have had this question when I was a kid. And this is a question that no teacher essentially answers. They discourage you from asking questions. And that's why this question remains with us for the remainder of our lives. So, in what direction did the Big Bang happen? So, let's understand what this Big Bang was. So, according to the best theory of the universe that we have, the so called Big Bang theory, the universe began as an extremely compact and extremely small point, just one small point, infinitesimally small. All the mass and energy of the universe was concentrated in that point, and it expanded from that. So it's not an explosion, it's an expansion. What is the difference between the two? An explosion is something that happens in one place, like a cracker bursting or a grenade blast. So it is something that happens in one place and it ejects material in all directions. So if the Big Bang was an explosion of the universe, you would find bits and pieces of the universe being thrown out in different directions. That's not the case. The universe is just one, it's one single entity. So it was a very rapid expansion, an incredibly, humongously, ridiculously rapid expansion. So that's what happened. So that was the Big Bang. And the universe expanded superluminally, which means it expanded at faster than the speed of light. So that's why it looks like like an explosion. That's why this colloquial term "Big Bang" has been used for it. So because of the way the universe expanded, it means that every single place, every single location in the universe was once concentrated in that small little singularity or near singularity, which means that the Big Bang happened everywhere. Everything was part of the Big Bang. Where I am sitting right now, it was part of that initial extremely condensed, extremely small state in which the universe existed. And wherever you're sitting right now, that was also part of it. What this means is that it is not incorrect in any way to say that the Big Bang happened everywhere. All of the space time that we have around us today, that we are inside, was part of this initial expansion of the universe. So the Big Bang basically was the entire universe. And therefore, it happened at all places at the same time. It happened here, it happened where you are, it happened where Jupiter is, it happened at the Andromeda galaxy, it happened in the farthest galaxy supercluster that we can observe, etc. Everything was part of it. So there is no actual direction. Everything was inside that little tiny, infinitesimally small point that was the uh, very early universe.